Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about probably the most incredible secured credit card that you can get. If you guys are rebuilding your credit or trying to establish credit, I've got a gem for you guys today. So smash that like button and just put gems in the comment section. It's coming from NIHFCU. I did an entire review of them. I couldn't even go over all their products because they have so many. Check out the NIH review as well so you can see all the other products that they have. I'm doing mini videos on all of their products because they're phenomenal, okay? Now, a lot of you guys have wanted me to do videos on credit unions because you've liked my Navy Federal credit unions, but like, hey, I'm not military, or hey, I want to know about some other credit unions that I can build relationships with and get some really interesting credit products with. Well, this is it, guys, all right? So let me just give you a little bit of information of NIHFCU, and then we'll talk about the secured card, okay? Because you're going to need to be a member to be able to take advantage of what I'm about to tell you. So NIHFCU is based in Maryland, okay? It's the health workers for sure. You don't have to be a health worker to join, okay? This is going to be open nationwide on the personal and the business side. It's a soft pull for membership, so they're not going to pull your credit. It's not going to be a hard inquiry whatsoever, okay? All of the hard pulls, you can use it as a double dip. So if you apply for a credit card, you can double dip and get another product as well with that hard pull. They're going to pull Equifax. The hard pulls are good for 30 days, and you can double dip, triple dip off of that hard pull as long as it's done within 30 days, okay? Hopefully that helps. Now, joining is super easy. You can do it through the American Consumer Council. It's a nonprofit. When you go to click open an account, you can just sign up right there. You never have to go through a branch. You never have to step foot in Maryland. You can be in Alaska, California, doesn't matter. Idaho, Missouri, who cares? You can join right online, do everything virtually, build the relationship virtually, and get some crazy, amazing credit products for your business and for your personal life, okay? So let's jump into it. So this secured card is a Visa Platinum card from NIH, okay? Low variable rate of 8.99, credit limits from $250 to $25,000. Is that not the biggest personal secured credit card that you've ever seen? It is for me, from what I can remember right now. Okay, let me tell you the amazing part of this, okay? Your credit limit is determined by your security deposit you provide, so you control your spending power, okay? As you create a record of on-time payments, you can work towards establishing or rebuilding your credit. So if you don't have credit, this is perfect for you. If you've had a bankruptcy or you've had bad credit, you can secure this line, and as you pay for a year, you may be able to have, you may even be able to upgrade your card with responsible use over time. So from the research that I've done, at 1 year, you can unsecure this card, you can keep the history, and you can product change into another credit card that they have. So literally, you can, if you wanted to, and you had a 401k or whatever, and you wanted to like take it out or borrow against it, I'm not saying to do that. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just throwing ideas out there. If you have $25,000 in savings and you want to have a credit line of 25 grand to help you get other credit, here's the thing. I'm getting excited. If you have $25,000 revolving line of credit on your credit report, what do you think other banks are going to do? Oh, well, NIHFCU gave them 25. We'll give them 25. Banks like to give limits that they see other banks give. So if you're starting your credit journey and you got money in savings and don't know where to start, this is perfect. Put $25,000 down on it because you can always get the money back at any time. Right? You build the relationship, set up a free checking account, open up a secured credit card, let it unsecure in a year, you get your money back, you get your 25,000 back in a year, you get a credit line, and you keep the history, and you can go and do another credit card if you want. You just built a great relationship in a year with NIHFCU. Isn't that phenomenal? And your interest rate is super low, okay? Now, I pulled up this so you guys can see this too. So this is the application and disclosure. So your platinum secured is 8.99%, right? 89.99% on balance transfers as well. On cash advance, it's the same thing. There's no annual fee whatsoever. So it is really, really cool. Now check this out. You can, after a year, when this unsecures, you can get into their Visa Travel Rewards card. And then you can take advantage of their 0% APR for the first 15 months if they had that going, or whatever offer they have going. But you get unlimited 2 points back for every dollar you spend on dining and travel. So this is their travel rewards card, and believe me, it's really good because doctors use it and nurses use it. They take care of their healthcare workers for sure here. Okay, it's their most prestigious travel card, right? And so that, or you can go into their cash rewards card and do the cash back if you don't want the points, right? And then you could do the intro offer. You can, like I said, you can product change into this, people. You can get the line of credit and get the security deposit back. So this is probably one of the best cards. I think this beats the nRewards card. I think NIH took out Navy Federal with this play right here as far as secured credit cards, because you can get that thing up to 25K. It unsecures in a year. There's been a lot of people with Navy Federal that haven't been getting their cards unsecured. This is better than the nRewards in my opinion, and then obviously the Platinum regular, right? So that's pretty remarkable. No annual fees on all their credit cards. They're really good credit cards. And like I said, once you start doing the credit cards, then you can get into their short-term loans or their long-term loans or their home equity loans. So this right here, people, is one of the best credit unions in the nation. I'm going to be getting involved with them very shortly. I try not to do too many credit unions a year just due to check systems. But it's going to be a soft pull for membership. My Equifax, I don't really have anybody pulling from that. And so this is going to be one of my Equifax credit runs that I do. So I'm super excited to work with them. And I hope that you guys like them as well. If you guys have NIH, let me know what you think of it. Is this better than the Navy Federal secured credit card? Okay, 25K, graduates in a year. Is this better? I think so. You let me know. And then like, comment, subscribe. Throw an emoji in the comment section. Help this video go out to more people so more people can get help with their credit. And yeah, be blessed by it. So I'm going to get this video wrapped up here, guys. Make sure that you guys join the private Facebook group. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, put them in the comment section. I try to answer within 24 hours. If I can't get it, a member of the community definitely helps you out. We're all about helping one another here.